President Joe Biden's pardon of his son. Hunter deepened an entanglement of politics and the rule of law that has tarnished faith in American justice and is almost certain to worsen in Donald Trump's second term. The Sunday evening move was a stunning development since Biden came to office vowing to restore the independence of the Justice Department, which had been eroded during Trump's first term, and because he had repeatedly said he wouldn't pardon his son. Now, weeks before he leaves the White House, Biden has wielded presidential power to absolve his son ahead of sentencings later this month over a pair of gun and tax convictions that emerged from the due process of law. His decision came days after special counsel Jack Smith moved to dismiss the federal cases against Trump over election interference and the hoarding of classified documents on the grounds that presidents can't be prosecuted. Taken together, the convergence of legal controversies raises questions about the bedrock notion that underpins the system of justice in the United States, that everyone, even presidents and their families, are equal before the law. Until Sunday, Biden had not intervened in the cases against his son, and the White House always insisted that he wouldn't, even though the shifting political environment caused by Trump's election victory last month seemed likely to shift his calculations. Massive political reverberations. Politically, Biden's reversal may be seen as a stain on his legacy and his credibility. It contributes to an ignominious end for a presidency that dissolved in his disastrous debate performance in June, and that will now be remembered as much for opening the way for Trump's return to the White House as evicting him 4 years ago. The president may also have offered an opening for Trump's party to rally behind Kash Patel, the loyalist whom the president-elect picked Saturday evening to lead the FBI and serve as an apparent agent of his campaign of political retribution. There is no evidence of wrongdoing on the part of the president. An impeachment inquiry by House Republicans that looked at Biden's and his son's business relationships, which Democrats saw as an attempt to inflict political damage ahead of the election, went nowhere. And the cases against Hunter Biden lack the constitutional gravity or historic importance of the indictments against Trump and his frequent attacks on the rule of law. Politics. Biden's pardon of his son pours fuel on Trump's claims of politicized justice. Analysis by Stephen Collinson, CNN. 7-minute read. Updated 4:25 a.m. EST, Mon Décembre 2, 2024. CNN reporter details how Biden came to decision to pardon Hunter. Urdu 51. Source: CNN. CNN. President Joe Biden's pardon of his son Hunter deepened an entanglement of politics and the rule of law that has tarnished faith in American justice and is almost certain to worsen in Donald Trump's second term.